keeping you alive. Can you breathe? They love you. They love you. They love you. They said, "Oh, I want to eat you up. Oh, I want to eat you up. Eat you up." It's like the more noise you make, the more they attack you. They go, "Yeah, but it's fun." And these are Royal Gold and Kiowa Manning puppies. They were born June 17th. Look at Sammy's hair. June 17th. 09. Aren't they cute? Where's that smiling dog? Where's that smiling dog? You know what? Which one are you that smiling? Where is that smiling face? Huh? Huh, puppy? Where's your smiling face? They are so cute. That's when they're terrors right there. Oh, I'm sorry, Mary.
What are they, squirmable?
Yep.
Oh, gosh.
Tammy goes, "I was in there before. They didn't do anything. I just sit down on the bed." She got a little attacked.
Just a little. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Aren't they cute? But that little baby's smiling at the right. And he won't smile now. I got the camera thingy on. Who is smiling?
Ooh, good, good. Oh, yes, good. Lick it, lick it, lick it. Oh my goodness, that's so funny.
All right, turn around and show your shirt. There's Tammy's shirt. Oh my God.